Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Titi Lopemi. Thank you for clicking this video and thank you for supporting me. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this delicious potato porridge. In this video, I used both Irish and sweet potato. And for my pepper, I used habanero and capsicum and some onions. I also used catfish, grilled catfish. And you want to start off by peeling off your potato and also cut them into chunks. You don't want to cut your potato too small and you don't want them too big as well. The reason why you shouldn't cut your potato too small is because if you cut them too small, at the end of the cooking, the whole thing might just end up looking like mashed potato, and you don't want that. So, and also make sure they are washed. Wash them, no sound. Also, you want to add your cooking oil. I added my cooking oil into my pot. I used canola. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. You can use vegetable oil. You can use sunflower oil, And also, I added my pepper mix into the oil. Also, I added my bouillon cubes. And also, I added my salt. And yeah, I let the pepper fry. You want that to fry. Let it fry for some time. Guys, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, it means a lot to me. Subscribe to my channel, please. Also, I added crayfish, some grounded crayfish. As you can see, yeah, I like to add that to my porridge, yes, because it's just, it's just adds this flavor to the whole thing that, yeah, I added crayfish, grounded crayfish, and I added whole crayfish. Yes, that's another crayfish, whole one. So, yeah, and also I added the catfish that I showed you earlier. This time around, I've washed it, I've deboned it, and make sure it's free of sand and any, it's clean. It's clean. Added the fish and allow it to cook, to fry for some time, for a few minutes. Then I added water into the stew. Yes, I added water. After adding my water, then I added my potato. Yes, this is the time to add your potato and cover and let it cook. Yes, it's just normal time, just normal process of cooking your potato. Cook your potato, cover it, let it cook. So guys, as I was saying, please subscribe to this channel. It's subscribe to my channel, like this video, please share this video, also leave a comment under this video for me. Then after some while, I checked my potato. Yeah, it was soft enough for me to add my vegetables. The first vegetable I added was parsley. I added parsley, and also I added spinach. So yeah, that makes it two vegetables. I like parsley. Parsley just give it this, this yummy flavor, and also I added spinach as well. Yeah, that's it. It's so easy and so easy to cook, and trust me, this tastes delicious. It takes, you won't even believe, like, you don't even have to do much to make this. Yes, and the end result is always mwah. Trust me. I would like you to recreate this and give me a comment. Come and drop a comment for me under this video. Yes, you just need Irish potato and sweet potato for this, and then serve. This is the time, this is the serving time. You can add any protein of your choice. You can add chicken, you can add you can serve it with, like, as you can see in this video, I served mine with beef. Yes, yes, some beef. And yeah, you can serve yours with fish, with chicken, and any protein of your choice. Yeah, as you can see, this is perfect. This is delicious. Thank you guys, I love you. Please subscribe. Bye.